Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into generating videos locally using the WAN 2.1 model on the Pinokio browser. Let's explore how to access, install, and run this powerful AI tool. First, let's talk about WAN 2.1. This model is one of the best AI-driven video generation models available right now. It's developed by Alibaba and excels in generating high-quality, realistic videos from text prompts and images. What's amazing about WAN 2.1 is its flexibility. It can generate videos in both English and Chinese, making it accessible to a large portion of the global audience. And here's the kicker. It's optimized to run even on relatively low-power PCs, meaning you don't need a high-end rig to create stunning videos. This makes this model an incredibly accessible tool for creators, whether you're working on a powerful workstation or a more budget-friendly setup. The best part is that this model is now available on Pinokio, and that makes it incredibly easy to install and use. Now, let's install this model. On your Pinokio browser, go to Discover page and search for WAN 2.1 and click on it when it appears in the results. You'll see an install button on the page. Just hit that and Pinokio will automatically download and install the model on your system. No need to worry about dependencies and configurations. Just follow the prompts on your screen. Now, once your model is installed, you can go to Home page and you'll see the model here. Click on it. In this page, click on text to video or image to video. Let's try text to video. It will prepare your interface. Okay, here's the interface for WAN 2.1. Just keep the video engine configuration as it is for now. And we'll just go ahead and use whatever prompt is given here by default. And maybe click on generate. That's basically what you need to do. I mean, there's number of frames. The lower the number of frames is, the shorter your video will be. So let's keep it at 81 for now. It will be approximately 4 seconds long. Let's click on generate now. It will probably take between 10 minutes or so, 5 to 10 minutes. I think it's done now. Let's play this video. Not bad, I guess. The prompt, if you're not seeing this, prompt was a large orange octopus is seen resting on the bottom of the ocean floor, blending in with the sandy and rocky terrain. And blah, 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 blah. It's not bad. I'd say it's not the best video I've seen, but still. Let me try my own prompt. They create a dramatic scene where a mouse and an elephant are engaged in an epic battle. The mouse is the same size as the elephant, making the fight feel intense and evenly matched. You click on generate. Show the mouse using quick, agile movements to dodge the elephant's powerful strikes. The elephant counters with massive strength and tusk attacks, causing the ground to shake. The background is a dramatic savanna setting with dust swirling around them. Let's see how it goes. Right, looks like it's done. It took about 4 minutes or so. Let's see how it looks. Well, the mouse is definitely not the size of the elephant here, but yeah, it looks like they're fighting and the ground is probably shaking and dust is definitely swirling and the gravity and everything seems to be showing fine here. I mean, I'd say it's I mean, decent video. I don't know, it's not realistic at all, but it's fun. Yeah. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe there. Comment below if you have any questions. See you next time.